Now, children, today we are going to start with chapter number 12, that is means of transport. What is transport? It helps us in traveling from one place to another. So, let's study about the different means of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. So, in ancient time, early men used to travel. अगर ancient time की हम बात करें, so early men used to travel on foot or on the back of animals. So, what happened with the invention of wheel, which was an important invention? What happened now? It built carts to carry people and goods from one place to another. All these were slow and tedious means of transport. Today, we cannot imagine life without modes of transport. So, mode of transport can be divided into three types: land transport, water transport, and air transport. So, first is your land transport. इसमें आपके दो parts हैं, road और rail. Road transport in our village, we see bullock carts. They are the most common mode of transport in our country. They are largely used to carry from farm produce to villages, town, cities. And today, farmers use trolley attached to a tractor, and they are used for carrying fertilizer, food rails from the place to. The villagers use this mode of transport for their personal use, like going to fairs or visiting nearby town. Right? Camel carts are also common in some places, and camel are widely used in deserts. Right? So, but today we see cars, buses and scooters. ये क्या है? Common हो गए. These are the modern means of transportation. Right? पक्का roads are required and पक्का roads are made of concrete. ठीक है? Concrete की बनी होती है and roads जो किससे cover होती है? तार से, कोल तार से. Roads take us even to remote area. They connect small places and big places. India has a very large network of. India में क्या है? Large network of road है. Next we have rail transport. Rail transport is yet another form of land transport. The difference being that it runs on the railway track, not on road. बस difference है कि railway track पे run करता है land transport ही road पे नहीं चलता. There are thousands of kilometers of railway lines and crores of people traveler. Railways are generally used for long distance. Their main advantage to many students that they carry heavy goods from one place to another. Right? Things such as iron and steel, cement, coal, right, fertilizer, foodware, photo oil, these are transported to the long distance, or availability of goods become easier due to this. So today, because of railways, traveling to distant places have become very convenient. At first, railway engine ran on steam, जिसको हम स्टील इंजन कहते हैं, और आज हम किस पे रन कर रहे हैं? डीजल पे, इलेक्ट्रिक इंजन पे. डीजल एंड इलेक्ट्रिक इंजन आर मोर एफिशिएंट देन स्टीम इंजन. दे आर मच फास्टर. वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस, राजधानी एक्सप्रेस और शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस, ये आपकी फास्टेस्ट ट्रेन है. Today, it does not take more than 2 days to travel from one end to another. So, in big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai, several local trains run on their stops. So, in many cities in India, local railway tracks have been constructed under or over the ground. This is called metro service. So, water transport launches boats, motorboat, ships as a means of transport. India has many rivers like Brahmaputra, Ganga. They are used to water transport. Lagoons of Kerala, they are useful for water transport. Right? They are used in West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh. Right? So, next is that big steamers and launchers help to transport passengers and heavy and bulky goods. Fishermen in coastal area widely uses or launches motorboats for fishing. And ships are much bigger than 1,000. They are generally sail in open seas. Today, goods are exported and imported to and from other countries by sea. We have major ports in India like Mumbai, Cochin, Chennai, Kolkata, Kandla, Maramgao, or Visakhapatnam. Next, we have air transport. Airways are the most modern and fastest mode of transport available. ये एक्सपेंसिव भी है. एट दिल्ली, मुंबई, कोलकाता एंड चेन्नई, यहाँ पे आपको मेजर एयरपोर्ट्स देखने को मिलेंगे. नेक्स्ट, एयरवेज कैन टेक अस टू मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इन olden days, people used to take months to travel from one place to another. When modern land transport came, it was possible in a few hours in India. Different आर सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड फ्लाइट्स. आपको अलग अलग फ्लाइट्स के सर्विसेज देखने को मिलती है. एयर इंडिया, बहुत सारी हैं. राइट? ट्रांसपोर्ट हैज ब्रॉट अबाउट मेनी चेंजेस. ठीक, अब क्या होता है, आप फूड आइटम्स अवेलेबल करवा सकते हो थ्रू आउट द ईयर फ्रॉम वन कंट्री टू अनदर. टुडे वी रिसीव गुड्स फ्रॉम ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री थैंक्स to the fastest mode of transport. India travel with other countries has improved. Fastest means of transport, they are useful to us in at times of need. So during flood or at times of accidents, fast mode of transport help to save many invaluable lives. Transport has made this world a small place. Right? This is all in this chapter. This is homework. What means of transport can be you visit to an island? तो आपको कैसा transport चाहिए? That you have to tell over here. Hope you understood each and every topic. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.